Hey guys! We're going to be showing you how to make these slimes right here. It doesn't have to be the exact same color. We just put random food coloring in it.
And we're going to use glue and Tide.
Yeah. So, first thing that you'll need is a bowl
And a spoon.
or something to mix it with. Something to measure your glue. So we're just using this. This is about 1/4 cup or something. Or less than 1/4 cup. Of course, Tide, but we're putting the liquid, we're using liquid Tide and we just put it inside the cap so that we don't overspill it or something. And
we got a big giant glue. Container of glue.
Yeah. So we just want to get the bowls first.
We don't need a spoon right now, but we're going to need it to mix.
Yeah. So just get your gallon. And we're going to spill it into here. You don't have to measure it, but we just like it so that it's the exact same size. I need your spoon. So, we're actually going to use 2 of these.
2 or 1 because we want a lot of slime.
Well, we don't want too much either.
Not too much. But we want this exact same thing.
So 2 of these makes 1/4 of a slime. Of a cup. And that's fine. Okay.
And then we're going to Tide and we're going to mix it all up before she gets her glue in.
Okay.
Not that much.
Okay, so this is the glue, guys. We're just using normal white Elmer's glue. You can always use clear glue or
whatever glue there is that works.
Like the small bottle cups of glue, then just use the whole entire thing of that.
That makes the same thing that we have right now.
Yeah. About the exact same thing. So here you go. Okay. So now we're going to activate it. Oh, and something that we forgot to show you is food coloring. We only have red and yellow.
So I get it on my hands.
This is how it looks like.
Oh yeah, I already
Normal
put mine in.
white glue.
I already put mine in and now it has some blue. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing. Got that need a little more.
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. You can just mix it. And you wouldn't want to put a lot at a time.
A little bit of time.
Yeah, because if not, you can overactivate it.
And it'll get too sticky.
If you put a little bit less. If you put too less. Too much, you overactivate, and too little, it's sticky.
When it gets all over your spoon, it means it's ready. You go touch it.
That it's
like these. When it got all over the spoon, we had to play with it to get a little bit not sticky.
Yeah, it was a little bit sticky when we made them, but that's perfectly fine. Oh. Do you need more slime? My Tide.
I guess a little bit more.
And it may become a little bit chunky and stuff.
Yeah.
But I can separate this right now and it looks really weird. Like this. That's it.
But it'll get a little sticky and it's gonna look like this. But different color, not just blue.
Yeah.
Well, this is blue, but
yeah.
It's gonna be red or yellow. Or orange. Or pink.
It depends.
If you add a lot of red, it's gonna become pink.
Yeah.
We're using food coloring
You can also just use pigment too.
You don't have to use food coloring or pigment. You could just leave it white. But we're gonna give it some color.
And also, Tide isn't the only activator that you can use for beginners. It's just that, like, for beginners, I would recommend Tide because it doesn't really do...
It's not that sticky.
And it doesn't really do harm to your hands. So.
And we have this board to put it when
it's
we're
like a watermelon
board. And when we're done, like putting it. Like,
so I think I want to take this out and knead it a little bit with my hands.
Yeah, I'm still not ready yet.
Because it's like wet.
Mine is like all over the place.
Yeah, there's still like Tide in here.
Mine is like coming really good. Like you see, like it's really good, and it's not all sticked around the bowl. Trying to get it all the thing. I'm trying to get everything off the bowl and put everything in the middle before I can start taking it out.
Oh, the board is actually really wet on my side. I need a napkin.
I think I was still not ready to take it out.
Do you want some of the activator over here?
Yeah.
See, look. Oh, this is really good, actually. See, look. She can just take my activator.
That makes it whatever.
It's pretty good, but it's still like really sticky. Uh-oh.
Seriously?
Sorry.
A sticky situation.
This happened last time. Sadly.
Gatti. Okay.
Okay. It definitely wasn't ready to come out.
Okay, this is a fail for me. I don't know for her.
Okay, I think that mine's a fail too.
Okay, so
but
probably
actually mine is getting pretty good. But actually, I think that
mine needs more Tide.
I'll give you some Tide now. Let me just take this off of my hands.
Oh,
hey, you got it on my hands. I think that we can mix ours together and it would be pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, give it.
Okay. Okay. Give me the big chunk of slime that you just like took from me again.
That's some of mine too, so.
Yeah. I got some of hers now in here, so now this one's sticky.
Sorry,
Sadly.
don't mind me, but now.
You should redo this video. I'm taking this off of her hands.
Thanks, Mommy.
I'm not your mom. Your mom is in the room next door.
She's sleeping.
I know, it can't be too loud. Okay, so
sticky situation.
just put your hand down, please, or hands, because she did this.
Stick it all over.
Look, there's activator over here.
Nice. I'm gonna take this all off the board and put it right now.
Oh, you got it on the table.
Oh, take that off quick. My mom said no, put it on the table. That's why we have this board. This is not like the last time. Now I'm tired of doing this.
It's okay.
Because you're gonna take it off me, right?
Eventually.
Take it off now.
Oh, this is actually some really good slime.
Yeah, and you're gonna give me some because I mean some.
Okay, put your hands down. Oh my god. Okay, let me take a chunk of this first.
Get
Here.
a little bit of it.
Yeah, and then the other part can go inside of the bowl for now. Okay,
Like
stop moving your hands.
They're little feet.
What?
They're little feet just walking around, but with
Dirty feet.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll actually be right back.